Welcome to Tactic Academy. We'll solve this question, and this question is from rational numbers. So what are these rational numbers? We discussed those in the these videos that meetings that we had. Okay, so without even wasting our time, shall we start? We solve this question. Okay, it is always in an exam. So the first thing that you need to do when solving such questions is you get the first thing. So everything, so your equation 1, that you need to have two equations. Okay, equation 1 and the equation 2. All right, so this one, equation 1, is it is an equation that should have at least all the independent number all right, all the independent number, those that are not in the bar, to be on the left side. Like for example, let's say that 2 and 5, let's say 5 comes here, then 0.17 bar. So this is our first interest. All the independent numbers should at least come to this to your left. Okay, then equation 2, it is now whereby at least one of the repeating numbers in the bar should at least come also to the other side. That's the goal that we need to have. All right, so hope that is clear. So we'll form equation 1 and equation 2, provided you know what you have actually talked about, to say we'll master that, or our area of interest will be in that, then you won't fail any question from this. So what we do is we say let x or any other number. All right, I'll say let x. All right, so let x, so you let x be to the same question you have been given. All right, okay, bar, like that. So the bar is there on top. Okay, so the bar can be like that, or any other symbol you can use. Okay, so after that, this is your first x. All right, so I said the first equation, you need to have two equations. The first equation, make all the independent number at least come to this side. All right, all the independent number. Okay, so what we do is I'll multiply times 10 this equation times 10. All right, so once I multiply times 10, then the point will come here, right? So that's my area of interest. So I'll multiply that equation by 10. You can be saying to say multiply by 10, or okay, or sometimes you just need to know what you are doing. Sometimes you follow the steps, just the same. So I will say 10x, you multiply throughout by 10. So the point now will come there when you multiply by instead. So it will be 25.17 bar, like that. So this is our equation 1 that we needed. All right, so the second equation, now we need to at least this on the bar also to come on the other side. All right, so that is it. Okay, so I'll say now multiply. You can be telling them to say multiply equation 1 by something. All right, so you can say multiply 1, okay, by what number can we use so that the point can come this side? Tell me the number. All right, it's 100. So we are multiplying equation 1 by 100. So both sides. So when you multiply equation 1 by 100, that will be now 1000. X is equal to 25.17 bar. So the reason why we have brought another 17, these 17, they were a lot, like infinite, so they can't finish. They were a lot, 1.7, 1.7, 1.17, just like that. The pattern was like that. So I've just at least gotten 17 from that pattern, so we'll still remain in the bar. All right, so from there, then that's when I will say subtract now 2 minus equation 1. All right, so that will be now 1000. X is equal to what? 20. So this is our equation 2, by the way. This is what we needed proper. Then that is 17.17 bar, like that. Baby, leave, just leave. Okay, 17 bar, like that. Okay, So from there then we subtract. Now we bring equation 1. So equation 1, it is here, right? So we'll say 10x is equal to, so this is our, we had what, 25, okay, 0.17, like that. So this is what we needed. So this is our equation 2. All right, this is our equation 1. Okay, so from there then we subtract. What is 1000 minus 10? That is 990. Okay, 990x is equal to, what is now this one minus the 25.17. so these ones, they will give you a 0, of course. So that is now, what is the 7 minus 5? That is what, 2. Then there's 2 there, so we can't have that. So what we are going to do is we'll bring this, will be 4, then here it will be what, 10. So 10 minus no, it's 11. When we bring 1 is 11 there. So 11 minus 2, that's 9, right? So that is 9. Then will remain with 24 just, so this is 24. Okay, so we divide throughout 990 on both sides. Okay, so that will be x is equal to, so this is what, I'm sure this is where I can end. You can still simplify according to how possible you can, but try by all means to reach at a point whereby it is really less simplifiable, or it is at the last point of being simplified. Okay, so for me this is where I end. So this is in the form of a over b, and you can see b is not 0, it's 990. So this is the answer that they needed. So we have expressed in the form of a over b. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe.